In a world where voice technology is gaining greater consumer and business acceptance, one organization has been unshakable in its focus and determination to unleash higher business performance through voice, one worker at a time: Vocollect. In a world where the only constant is change, and companies seek solutions to keep them ahead of the competition, improve their customer service levels, and reduce their operating costs, one organization has a proven record of providing voice solutions that are flexible and provide quantifiable results: Vocollect. Vocollect and our growing global partner network continue to enable customers to meet and exceed their goals through improving business process workflows by deploying and leveraging the transformational workflow optimization capabilities with our end-to-end voice solutions. Vocollect customer success stories are as unique as they are numerous. Vocollect Voice users attest that it is possible to experience profound increases in productivity and accuracy, and are proud to share their successes and the business value Vocollect Voice provides their business. Our customers know that voice technology, when done correctly, enables you to achieve greater levels of voice recognition performance, delivering superior worker productivity and satisfaction. Vocollect continues to help its customers innovate and improve their workflow performance, all with the goal of helping them gain greater value from their existing ERP and WMS investments with the industry's broadest portfolio of enterprise data integration connectors. In a world with many diverse industries now using Vocollect Voice, it has become considered an essential part of what has facilitated the success experienced by numerous thought-leading supply chain and operations executives. The goal to improve our customers' business performance through voice continues to be our main focus. That is why Vocollect is and will continue to be the #1 provider of voice solutions in the world.